Hey guys, Stephen Pender with Eavestrough, and today I'm at a client's home and I want to make a video to show you the biggest issue with hydrostatic style gutter guards. And those are the style where it kind of folds over into the gutter and water's supposed to cling to it. Even if that guard and that design did work, there's still an issue that it creates that is not worth it even if it did actually work. Now this is a unique style of hydrostatics. You can kind of see there's a multi-layer to it. Try maybe less sun over here. You can see the water's supposed to cling and then go into these holes here. There we go. So I just want to show you. So here on the back side of the home, we started to take it off. And, you know, even gutter helmet and leaf guard and even these right here, debris does get past it. And you can see his entire downspout is clogged right here. You can see all that debris in the downspout. So his downspout is completely clogged, but that's not what we're here to discuss. See this wasp nest right here? There's one on each end. And that is the absolute biggest issue with these gutter guards. I'll show you the one on this end. Because these guards, yep, there's another one right there. I don't know if you can see that with the sun. Hopefully you can, I'm not sure. These guards, when they install, what they do is create a perfect cover system to provide protection for wasp and things like that, to be able to go under there and make a nest. And at that point it is near impossible to get to them. I actually had to take the guard off before I was able to spray those wasp nests and kill them. So that is something I just wanted to show you. That is the biggest issue with hydrostatic gutter guards. They create a little dome area for the wasps, bees, hornets, things like that to get up into and make a nest. And at that point it's almost impenetrable, and you know, there's really no way to reach them. You can't spray them when you have the guard on. So like I said, even if that gutter guard style did work and didn't let debris past it, didn't grow algae and prevent the water from clinging to it, even if it did work, it would still create an issue like wasp nests and things. That is just not something you really want to be dealing with. So once again, this is the hydrostatic style. Highly recommend you do not use those. And this is why. So I'm Stephen Pender with Eavestrough, and thank you for watching.